When using Sigma lenses from the film era on modern digital cameras, you may see an error at stop-down apertures. The solution is the Modchip shown here. Its new version has improved contact pads for easier soldering to the bayonet contact block, and it bends neatly once installed, taking no extra space and avoiding strain on the connections. Disassembling the lens for installation is usually very simple. You need to unscrew the decorative bayonet insert and remove it. Then unscrew the two screws holding the bayonet contact block. In most cases, that's all you need. Now move the contact block aside and place the Modchip onto its contacts. While holding the Modchip with tweezers, solder at least one pin to secure it. Then solder each pin, just a light touch with the iron until the solder melts. That's it. The chip is installed. Now put the contact block back in place and tighten the screws. The chip is shaped to follow the bends of the bayonet flex cable and takes almost no space. To check the result, set the aperture to a stop-down value and press the Depth of Field Preview (DOF) button. The aperture should close and open normally, and there should be no errors when you press the shutter button. Congratulations, it works.